Yo dudes! Welcome to mac and cheese. Yum, yum, yum! Ultimate comfort, easy, delicious. We're going to show you how to do this making a bechamel sauce. Infused with pumpkin, infused with garlic, and lots of subtle spices.
30 minutes we'll serve 4. It's delicious.
Here we go.
Okay, first step, we're going to boil our pasta in salted water.
400 grams of dried pasta. Okay, next step, we're gonna make a bechamel sauce. I've chopped 4 cloves of garlic. We're gonna put in 4 tablespoons of oil, allow that to heat up and add in our garlic and cook that for about 1 to 2 minutes until it goes gold. Next step, take a sieve and we're gonna sift in 4 tablespoons of white flour. Use gluten-free if you're a celiac. Whisk now until the flour is incorporated and we're gonna cook that for about a minute or 2 until that raw flour taste has dissipated. Okay, next up we're gonna add in our spices. What do we got?
We've got half a teaspoon of salt, pinch of black pepper, pinch of sweet paprika, and a pinch of nutmeg.
We've 600 ml of oat milk or non-dairy milk, a choice. Just slowly add it and keep stirring.
We're just gonna bring our milk up to boiling temperature before we add the cheese and the pumpkin puree.
So I'm adding in about a handful of vegan cheddar style cheese. That's about 75 grams. I'm adding in 200 grams of pumpkin puree. This is gonna give a lovely warm orange color. It's gonna thicken and just up the nutrient content. I'm gonna turn off our cheese sauce just until it's reached this degree of viscosity. We don't want it too thick because the pasta's gonna cook in it and thicken it further.
Okay, you wanna cook the pasta until it is slightly al dente. See there's still a little white ring in the inside. That's a good sign that it is al dente and ready to go. Okay, before I drain the pasta, I'm just gonna take a jug of pasta water. This is really good just to help loosen things up and add a bit of starch if I feel like it later. Okay, we're just gonna drain our pasta now. No need to rinse it because we want the starch on it. Okay, now it's time to put the whole dish together. We've got a lovely little casserole dish.
This is 22 centimeters by 22 centimeters by approximately 5 centimeters high.
So we're gonna start by adding in all our macaroni. Okay, now we're gonna add in our bechamel. Slowly add it in.
We're gonna gently put on the remaining 75 grams of vegan cheddar style cheese and breadcrumbs and just put a nice little coating across the top. So with the breadcrumbs, just make sure it's at a light layer because if you go too thick, it's gonna get too moist and go all kind of claggy as opposed to crispy.
Okay, oven's preheated to 200 degrees Celsius and we're going to bake this for approximately 15 minutes until it goldens on the top.
We baked it for 15 minutes. Kitchen smells amazing. Time.
We're hungry. Here we go.
Okay, looks great. Love the color. The added pumpkin really gave that just this bright, vibrant
Enough waffle,
orangey.
can we taste it?
Okay, I
Here
want to
we
get a
go.
crispy bit.
I want a crispy bit.
See the crispy bit, and you're getting a crispy bit with a soft,
Crispy,
gooey,
gooey,
cheesy.
starchy, yummy. Oh, jeez, mine fell back on. Hang on.
That looks great with the steam coming off. Here we go.
It really does.
Cheers.
This is to you. Epic, ultimate, vegan, mac, and enough talk, cheese. But yeah, thank you. I hope this recipe was really good. I hope you cook it. We've got a 1-week plant-based jump start. If you want to learn more about how to be plant-based, adopt a vegan lifestyle, we've put in all our experience into this 1-week crash course. It's great fun. So full details down below for that.
Thanks for watching. Sending lots of love, and yours is
Cheers.
the ultimate mac and cheese.
Cheers.